Takže zdravím vás ľudia, ja vás zdravím, vítam vás pri hre Life is Strange. Teraz si hovoríte, preboha, Pagan, to jak ťa napadlo? A to ma napadlo tak, že táto hra je teraz momentálne na Steame zadarmo, to znamená, že mi už ostane, takže ak kľudne si, určite si ju chodte zobrať, určite si chodte nainštalovať, najprv si dajte do knižnice, možno sa vráti a budete možno schopní to speňažiť. Ale teraz späť k tomu, prečo to točím. Točím to preto, lebo chcem si vyskúšať túto hru, nie som nehral, takže možno to bude aj také reakčné. A čítal som teda, počul som o nej, že je to nejaké oný na city zamerané a tak a navyše sa mi nenainštaloval Singularity. A nechcel som točiť Amnéziu, lebo som pozeral top 10 oných hororových videí na YouTube a asi ma chápete, viac o tom hovoriť nepoviem. Nie sú k tomu české titulky a nič, angličtinu tak ešte ovládam, takže si to myslím, že nebude problém, keď tak vám to budem prekladať. Je to hra založená na tom, táto prvá epizóda bude pilotná. Ak sa vám nebude páčiť, ak nebudete chcieť Life is Strange, tak ja ho nebudem točiť, ja s tým nemám problém. Ja potrebujem 2 série a keď sa Singularity nenainštaluje čo skoro, tak toto bude tá. Ale napíšte mi, či chcete Life is Strange alebo nie. Ja s tým nemám problém to netočiť. Ja som to bral ako proste výhodu, ne? Že mám ďalšiu sériu, ktorú môžem točiť. Ale tak či tak, keď sa mi nainštaluje Singularity, tak budem hrať tu. Už som ticho. Trošku to hučí, tak sa to možno zmenší potom.
Where am I? What's happening? I'm trapped in a storm? How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Ty kokos, počkaj, to ježišmaria, to je strašné. No ešte to musím zistiť. Nehal som sa ostriať a pri tejto hre by bol facecam, ale pri Singularity určite nebude, takže aby ste vedeli. Tá búrka to trošku prekrikuje. Tak vyzerá to zatiaľ celkom v pohode, dobre hra, zaujímavá. Takže vlastne ona, teraz ja som pochopil len to, že sme sa spawnuli niekde na schodoch a musíme sa dostať k majaku. Jasná správa. Bol som sa dneska ostriať, áno. To som hovoril. A tiež iba pri tejto hre a pri hororových hrách budú facecamy. A pri takýchto citových. I pri Singularity a takýchto iných shooteroch sa na to vykašlem. Tak, čo je? To je tornádo? No tak dobre, ako to, že žijem. Za prvé. Za druhé, teraz kam mám ísť? Nezakrývaj sa furt, však ti bude fúkať. No ty prechladneš. Babka ti nedala druhý sveter.
Holy shit.
Fuck. Že holy shit. Proste čakáš, že nejaké malé dievča a ona zadeli, že holy shit. To som teraz všimla, alebo čo? Ja sa na to už 10 minút kúkam. Čo? Á, to bol sen, no tak
That
jasné.
was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
Hodím
There
to.
you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes
Počkaj,
of
what the
those
fuck?
sad mothers and children.
Ako mám
She
dať
saw
luk?
humanity as tortured, right?
Ako mám dať
And
luk?
frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson?
The f?
I can hear the class laughing at me now.
To čo je? Á,
Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Počkaj. My favorite October, môj obľúbený mesiac. Najlepšie počasie oného tohto roku. No, pozeranie sa na listy, ak menia farbu. Meniace sa na tajný, čo je tajný? Tajný to je niečo na spôsob Prostomilého, nie? Tajný. Tak malý, aha. Tak som zlobkopil. To bol brat. Tak. Malé ohničky. Stále je to príliš hot. Ako horúce, ale vzrušujúce. Teraz neviem. Ďakujem. Globálne oteplovanie. Can't music host. Nemôžem sa dostať... Čo? By som si to prečítal. Čo nemám to tak, ja to nebudem teraz riešiť. Neviem, či to je dôležité k príbehu.
Any one of you could do that to me.
Počkaj.
Isn't that too easy? Too obvious?
Look.
What if
Look.
Arbus chose to capture people at the
I
height?
can't believe I still have this pencil case. I should upgrade to the 21st century.
Hej, to by si mohla.
I like it old school.
Take selfie, alebo sa pozrieme.
I have to admit,
Pozrieme
I'm
sa.
not a
I
big
do
fan
love
of
my
Bella.
analog camera.
I prefer...
I should take a quick picture now.
Tak take selfie, no.
Me too, Victoria. He captured the essence of post-war beat America. And there was honest... Shh. I
Ona-
believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around.
Ona vyťahne
Now,
proste kameru.
Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Takže... Spýtaš sa mňa? Ty sa pýtaš mňa? To zíraš na mne. To zíraš na mne. Dúfam, že nie. Bože, ja to neviem. Tento vlk nie. Zo zajaca. Nie, ten spravil prvý oný selfie. Ten ruský. Určite, to je on. Ja
I
viem.
know, but I kind of forgot.
Nie, to bol vlk.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Si to povedala o mne?
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first...
Look at this crap.
Ale čo to je?
How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson?
What the
I can
fuck?
hear the class laughing at me now.
Ja som sa na to pozeral, ale neviem, čo to je.
Self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius.
A čo máš robiť?
You can
Printer.
find out all about him in your
Počkaj.
textbook, or even
Počkaj.
online.
Hej, zvoní. Ó, výborné.
And go
Vypadol zvuk.
in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Ja som počul, že dokážeš ovládať čas, alebo také dačo. Presne som istý. Ale to čo bolo?
Yes, Victoria. you
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass.
Even if you're submitting your photo for the
Huh,
competition,
this might make a cool shot.
he's
Čo
turning
to je?
in photos, so
Huh, this might make a cool shot.
Foto.
Worked so hard
Dáme
on this
foto.
shot, and I'm sure you know what it's like to be consumed by your work. I just really think Everyday Heroes is an
To sa tam fotí, ani sa to proste rozprávajú. Môžem ich odfotiť?
you have just
Nechcem odfotiť. Nevadí, no.
putting yourself out
Táto sa tu oný komputer. Čo tu je za postavu? Počkaj sa Aha, printer. Čo máme s printerom?
That printer is amazing. I'd love to see how it reproduces my pictures. I could
Bože.
pump out a whole gallery show with that thing. When I don't suck. Someday.
Nechápem fotografov, ale dobré. Look.
That was amazing when Mr. Jefferson took a class picture the first week. Even though I didn't want to be in the picture at all, it was fairly fucking cool to watch him at work framing us.
Fotka, hej. To je teda kvalita. Dúfam, že to je nie len tým, že som sa nastavil tak. Toto je nejaký oný statíves? Trojnožka, nie? Trojrožka? Toto čo je? Tento oný Andy Warhol. Nevie skákať. Prečo nevie skákať? By som vyskočil na tú krabicu. Wow. Nie, že mi tu chodí brada, ešte mi nedrpuje FPS-ka. Počkajte, 100 hodím na 30, hej. No, tak to, teraz by to nemuselo dropovať. Notebook, tak sa kúkni na notebook.
Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? And people laughed.
Ja nevidím proste, čo tam je. Ja tam vidím kazetu, môj zošit. Vtipné. Aha, čo je toto? Tu je táto oný. Dobrý deň. Kate. Počkaj. Paperball. Yes, to sa berem.
Now I wish I wouldn't have read this.
Ona točí porno. Olala. Tak to už áno, všem. Určite sa necháva tuto. Počkaj. Tak. Look.
Obviously Blackwell spent bank on the computers here.
Use.
Looks like somebody was already working on this.
To je nejaký Photoshop, nie? To je nejaký ani... tu sú nejaké... No nie, to sú len rozmazané fotky. To je nejaký verzia Photoshopu. Speak.
Hi, Kate.
Oh, hi Max.
Ona má nejakú takú oný. No má taký... To čo má na hlave, Marie? Breco? I hope they didn't embrace you. You seem... Tu čeština chýba, ale takéto dialógy sa dajú celkom. Dúfam, že ťa nevyrušujem, alebo dneska vyzeráš nejak tichu. No tak mne jedno, či ťa vyrušujem, takže...
You seem quiet today.
Just thinking too much.
Want to go... No pôjdeme na kávu, nie? Či
I
na
hear that.
čaj.
Wanna go grab a cup of tea and bitch about life?
Thanks, but not today.
No,
I have to go over homework.
dobre, vidím.
Let's hang later.
Sure.
Vidím, že máš kríž na sebe, to znamená, že ťa radšej nebudem otravovať, lebo ešte zhorím. No, tu je Mr. Jefferson. Dobrý deň. Okuliarník. Dneska som sa bol strihať a tam bol taký tón, okuliarník, len bol taký nižší. Mal biele oný. Ty si sa prevtelil do Life is Strange, čo? Tak nevadí, keď vám tu šlohnem kameru, nie?
Whoa, Mr. Jefferson is not messing around with that monster. He probably paid 20 grand for that camera. I bet he gets pristine digital images.
No to je nie
But I
jediné
still
monštrum,
dig
ktoré
my
má.
instant camera.
Dúfam. Aha, to je ten oný, čo sme boli, nie? To je určite, to spomenie teraz.
You can never escape the lighthouse here.
No nepovie k tomu nič, lenže nemôžeš utiecť. A toto čo je? Nejaké oný stromy.
Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious.
No tie obrázky teda fakt vyzerajú úžasne, na to, že to je... Á, televízia, idú si sa noci.
Man, he even has the best plasma HDTV for a class monitor.
Ona si to
Can't
hovorí len pre
wait to
seba, ne?
watch some more documentaries on this bad boy.
Bad boys, what you gonna do, keď na tebe niečo prehrajú.
Here's the poster for the contest. Mr. Jefferson really expects me to enter. Why?
Everyday Heroes
I
Photo
don't know if
Contest.
I'm ready for my 15 minutes of infamy.
Čo ja viem, tam sa aj neprihlásim. My nie. Ježiš, Madness hrá CSGO, bože. Madness sa... Knihy.
So cool that we can check these out anytime.
Môžeme si
The
ich pozrieť?
Decisive Moment by Henry Cartier-Bresson. That's rare.
To som nikdy nepočul o
Every
tom.
leap of it's mad respect. The amazing Eugene Smith. Good to see Abaddon among the masters. Golly, of course. Lots of people I haven't heard of yet. I guess that's why I'm here.
Idem do Riti. Čaute.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Čo chceš zase? Okuliarník.
I
More.
never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Nemám čas, alebo mám.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch-up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Chápem, môžem ísť do Riti už? Ďakujem. Nás oni núti, aby sme tam išli, alebo teda chce nám pomôcť, ale my tam
You
nechceme
didn't
ísť.
tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to.
I'm not paying 100.
You always
Welcome to
look
the real world.
Just cute.
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Oh hell no!
Because Max wants everybody to see how hip she is.
A Aziat.
She plays it so shy.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
Square Enix. Square Enix. A nechcela si ísť na kúpeľne náhodou? Dá si svoje sluchatka. Don Entertainment. Don, more Horton. Ježiš, to je tvár, to je výraz. Má sluchatka? Ideme na záchod, nie? Tak, teraz len prejsť. Life is Strange, epizóda 1. Chrysalis, inak epizódu 1 budem iba točiť, takže keď budete vôbec chcieť, aby som ju točil. Takže z toho my neužijeme. A tu šikanujú niekoho. Dúfam, že tá muzika nie je kopírovaná. Nás to monitujem, chlapci, ja nechcem žiadne copyright strajky. Chodite do lidí. Ja nechcem žiadne copyright strajky. Už to vidím, jak tu budem sa nejaký copyright strike. Missing person, to sa pozriem.
I wonder what actually happened to her.
Rachel. Age 19, age 8. Hyde je akože 5, no, neviem riešiť. Oni tam majú iné miery. Date missing, 22. apríla. Call, Additional info, tak to vôbec nevieme. Aha. Vending machine. Chcem niečo si
They
kúpiť.
should just call it a sugar machine.
A ja si nemôžem nič
That would
kúpiť.
be awesome if you put money in there and a bag of sugar dropped out.
Dobre, ale nemôžem si teda niečo kúpiť? Bože, to je škola. A tu je nejaký oný basketbalista. To je 100% basketbalista. Tu je pán školník. Dobrý deň, pán školník. Vidíme, že máte na robote veľa. Jak sa voláte? Robo? Robokazík. Nie, Robokazík je veľký spevák. Jak sa vy voláte? Ježiš, ja už to tak vidím, to je nejaký oný školník z Levit došiel do Life is Strange. Pani rejiteľka, čo na škole mám oný.
Blackwolf sure takes its swimming seriously. But otters are cute. Go otters.
Čo na škole nám robí pretočku. A čierna oný. Učiteľka v rúžovom. Ty kokos, to je tá čierna z Harryho Pottera, keby bola čierna. No k čiernym sa neprihováram, ale nie.
I need to go splash some water on my face and freshen up first.
No a čo, nemôžeš sa doma pláchnúť? Tu musíš, máš sluchatka na sebe. Musel som vypnúť tú muziku, lebo to je tak, už to tak vidím, že to je proste nejaká strajková. Enter. Tak na záchodoch.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me.
A ona sa nejak zrúci. A prečo sa rúci? Však dobre, nič ja nechápem. Aha, Bill Cipher. Bill Cipher is here. On prišiel, miesačka záhada. Teraz toto. Robí dealy, robí obchodíky. Fireball, aha. Tak dobre, tu nie sme. Tu nie sme v Clash of Clans, žiadne firebally sa dneska nekonajú. Sync. A ja som celkom zvedavý, čo sa stane.
Now who would bother to write that crap?
Čo sa stane, keď toto stlačíme. Aha, to môžeme iba sa na to pozrieť, tak škoda.
I remember when somebody punked the alarm last month.
Hej, tak niekto
At
to
least I
stlačil.
got out of science class for that quiz.
Tak to máš dobre. Mirror. Use.
I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
Trošku, ten sen bol celkom divný. Aha, jak to pasuje úplne, lol. Počkaj, nie, to nepasuje vôbec. To čo je? Ako tam niekto Aha, teraz to pasuje. Skoro to pasovalo. Počkaj. Á, to je ťažké, more. Use. Use, použij to už konečne pre Boha. A ja neviem, kedy táto hra vyšla. 3 roky dozadu, myslím? Nie, neviem, staršia už určite si myslím. A čo by som
Just
chcel?
relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift.
A gift. Máš dar.
Fuck it.
Prečo to roztrhala? Teraz to niekto nájde. Ježiš, mal stačí spáliť, keď už tak... Aha, motýlik.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that.
It's a butterfly. Kill it. Kill it before lay eggs.
Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Počkaj. Döre. Videl ma. Döre. Nie, videl ma. Döre. No, odfoď ho, rýchlo. No, výborné, rýchlo. Však poď, no. Teraz sa nič nevidí. A teraz sa bude hántiť trošku asi, ale tak nevadí. Aj, prišiel nejaký oný. Oni majú spoločný toto. Záchod. To je celkom nepríjemné.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss.
Tomu ver.
So what do you want?
Aha.
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
O! Čo sa stalo? Počkaj, what the fuck?
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be?
No, ja som si...
I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
As he likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow, from color.
Teraz budem vedieť
Kate
odpoveď.
is being hassled again.
Teraz budem vedieť odpoveď, už to
And
vidím.
if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if
No,
I'm
pardele.
crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse time?
Ty kokos, ja som vedel, že sa to objaví niekedy.
Because of her images of
Hold
hopeless
right
faces.
mouse. To sa mi ľúbi. Tak špeciálna schopnosť veľká. No a dokedy to budem otáčať?
I did it!
Give me
I
an
actually
example of
did
a
it.
photographer who perfectly captured
I'm a
the human
human
condition in
time
black and
machine.
white. Anybody?
No, teraz dáme selfie a budeme vedieť
Don't
odpoveď.
freak out. Not yet.
Budeme vedieť odpoveď.
Why
When I
artists?
took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
No.
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
Áno, to
I
mám.
know I'm not dreaming this.
As you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was
can
not
go
the first
back in
to use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography
I
for
need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
No
Now,
však máš
Max,
čas.
Since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Áno, presne viem. Počkaj, WTF? Nie, ja mu to chcem povedať, však ale to je taká smelody. Nie, tak musím ísť.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
hlupák.
here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Ale veď sme...
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind again
Daguerrean process.
and give him the right answer?
To som chcel už vysvetliť. Nie, ty musíš proste protestovať. Jaj, Max. Počkaj. Kedy sa ho spýta? Kedy sa jej spýta, tak...
Max, since you've captured our interest...
No. Hej, toto.
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max.
Ha,
The
vyser si
Daguerrean
oko.
process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everybody.
No presne tak, lebo ja sa
Don't
viem
forget
vrátiť.
the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Takže zdrhám a nemusím sa s ním rozprávať, lebo keď je, tak to preskakujem.
Victoria, you still have... I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk
Nemôžem to
about your...
skipnúť. Bože, že teraz sme sa o tom rozprávali. Krista pána.
I'd never let one of photography's few...
No.
I'm not avoiding, just...
Biding time? Waiting for the elusive right moment?
Exactly.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Vieš, čo povedal?
Don't let me stop you.
Vieš, čo povedal jeden vývojár hry? Press control to quickly undo your previous action. Čo? Čo som spravil zle teraz?
Yes, Victoria, you still...
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing it...
To sme videli. John Lennon said.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Dobre, dovidenia. Ďakujem, že ste mi venovali čas a otravovali ste ma. Teraz sa nespustí, dúfam, tá istá ukážka. Ideme na záchode.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please.
Ale však ty sa môžeš vrátiť.
They'll think I'm crazy.
Ale u nás by sa mohla vrátiť aj iba o pár sekúnd dozadu, podľa mňa. Nemusí sa vrátiť o celú triedu naspäť. Jaj, sem mám ísť. Enter. Enter nich.
Okay, Max, retrace every step.
Máme odfotiť toho Onyho.
I washed my face.
Áno, potom odfotila
Shredded
si...
my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Presne tak. Teraz prišli títo.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that?
Zober si ten mop,
What
zober
are
si
you
ten mop.
doing? Come on, put that thing
Ever
down.
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer, it's happening again.
People trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella
No,
more
he
trouble
has a
for this
gun.
than drugs.
I should do something else.
No tak spustíme toto.
Punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me,
I need a
psycho!
hammer to break it open. Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can
What?
reverse time again, I can
Nie, nie,
help
nie.
her.
What the fuck? Musím to posunúť trošku dozadu.
Never even missed your punk ass, would they?
Kde je Ony?
Get away from me, psycho!
Čakaj.
Oh,
Nie, však som to posunul naspäť. Bože.
don't ever tell me what to do.
Čakaj.
I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in
Tu je
hella
hammer.
more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would.
No, no, rýchlo,
ever
rýchlo,
even
rýchlo,
miss
rýchlo,
your
rýchlo,
punk ass,
rýchlo.
would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Rýchlo, rýchlo, však. Nie, však. Ty si hlupák. Tuto takto.
People trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Fú, dovolil som taká... Oh shit, ne.
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real.
Ale je to reálne,
I
moja.
just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on?
Ja,
Do
dávaj.
not freak out.
Ale neutekaj.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Mám ťa zabiť?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
No, rob si svoju prácu a neotravuj, presne tak. Zachránila ma Niga. No tak to sme vyhrali. Dobre, ja to bude povedať tento part všetko, ja som dneska nemal nič natočiť, tak by som bol rád, keby ste dali ten like. Som sa posnažil a na budúce sa porozprávame tuto s pánom Nigom, s principálom, že on je riaditeľ, ty kokos, to sú teda časy. Ale nie som rasista, len akože celkom ma vadí robiť vtipy takéto. Viete, čierny humor. Tak, vidíme sa v nejakom inom videu. Možno pri Life is Strange, možno nie. To je záleží ozaj na vás, takže čaute. Ty si ešte tu, brácho? Tak tam mrskni ten like alebo subscribe. Díky, veľmi si toho vážim. Nazdar.